This video presents educational research about free certification programs. Certification availability, requirements, and job market outcomes vary. Individual results depend on effort, prior skills, and market conditions. Always verify current program details before enrollment. What if I told you that you could get the exact same certifications that Google, Microsoft, and IBM require for $70,000 plus jobs for $0? Not almost free, not a watered down version. Official certificates designed by the same experts that power Silicon Valley richest companies. While millions get buried in tuition payments, chasing boot camps and degrees, smart people are landing six-figure offers using free certifications employers actually want. I'm going to show you 9 legitimate free certifications that opens doors to high-income careers. And if you are serious about building wealth without the debt trap, you will want to watch this video until the end. Here's the truth that colleges and boot camps won't tell you. The job market isn't broken. The certification model is. I've sat on hiring panels and nobody cares about a diploma if you don't have the real skills to deliver. Traditional advice says that you need $10,000 boot camps or $200,000 degrees, but I've watched people with free certifications get hired over expensive credential holders. The cheat code: in demand, employer-approved certifications with zero price tag. Let's crack it open. Certification number 1, Google IT Support Professional. $100,000 plus cloud support jobs use this as a qualifying credential, and Google's own engineers built it. Look, this isn't some random online course. This is the exact training that Google used internally, and companies know it. No prior IT experience required, no computer science background needed. You'll learn troubleshooting, networking, operating systems, and security, basically everything that employers want. Angela, a single mom, lost her customer service job during layoffs. She had zero tech experience. 2 months after finishing this certification on Coursera, she landed a remote tech support role, making $72,000 a year with full benefits. The cost? Completely free with Coursera's financial aid. You just apply. They approve most applications. The big difference? You're learning from Google, the company that built the internet infrastructure that everyone uses. Their certification carries weight. Opportunity score, 9.5 out of 10. Certification number 2, IBM Data Science Professional Certificate. Data scientists earn $70,000 to $120,000 a year, and IBM's free certificate teaches you everything that you need. The suite covers Python programming, SQL databases, data visualization, and machine learning from absolute scratch. No math degree required, no coding background needed. They teach you everything. Ben was an Uber driver making $32,000 a year. He finished his certificate in 4 months while driving part-time. He documented every project on LinkedIn, built a portfolio showing real data analysis. Recruiters started coming to him. He's now a data analyst making $85,000 a year working from home. Thousands have switched from retail, teaching, and admin jobs to an analyst in data science roles using these exact certifications. And here's why it works. IBM is one of the biggest tech companies in the world, and their name on your certificate means something to employers. Opportunity score, 10 out of 10. Certificate number 3, Microsoft Azure Fundamentals. Azure cloud skills are red hot right now. Microsoft offers completely free learning modules that prep you for official certification. Cloud computing is exploding, and every company is moving to the cloud, and they're desperate for people who understand Azure. James was a barista making $28,000 a year. He self-studied Azure using Microsoft free resources for 3 months. He passed the AZ900 certification exam, then joined a fintech startup support team making $75,000 a year. Microsoft offers 100% off exam vouchers to students, veterans, and career changers. The training is free. The exam can be free. The career change is real. Cloud engineer jobs are growing 30% a year, and companies can't find enough qualified people. This certifications get you in the door. Opportunity score, 9 out of 10. Certification number 4, HubSpot Digital Marketing Certification. Digital marketing managers can earn an average of $74,000 a year, and HubSpot teaches you everything for free. Most people think that digital marketing is just posting on Instagram. That's not marketing, that's social media. Real digital marketing is strategy, customer journeys, email campaigns, SEO, analytics, and conversion optimization. HubSpot certification takes you from just posting content to understanding end-to-end marketing strategy that actually drives revenue. Casey was a freelance photographer making $35,000 a year with inconsistent income. She got HubSpot certified and started offering marketing strategy alongside photography. Built it into a full-time remote marketing role, making $68,000 a year. The certification is completely free and takes about 4 hours to complete, and employers specifically search for HubSpot certifications on LinkedIn. Opportunity score, 8.5 out of a 10. Certification number 5, Google Project Management Certificate. Project managers at top companies routinely earn $85,000 a year to $150,000 a year, and Google teaches you how to become one for free. This curriculum is designed by Google's actual project managers, the same people running billion-dollar projects. You learn risk analysis, budgeting, agile methodology, stakeholder communication, basically everything that you need to manage complex projects. Generic online project management courses charge $2,000 and teach you outdated methods. Google certificate is current, comprehensive, and carries the Google name. Every company needs project managers. Tech companies, healthcare, finance, construction, government. It's one of the most versatile, high-paying careers. This certificate is free on Coursera with financial aid and takes about 6 months to complete if you study 10 hours a week. This is the career change that pays 6 figures. Opportunity score, 9.5 out of 10. Certification number 6, Meta Front-End Developer. Front-end web developers are in massive demand, and Meta, the creators of Facebook and Instagram, teach you their exact methods completely free. You learn React, JavaScript, responsive design, and portfolio projects, the same methodologies that Meta uses for billions of users. Lisa was a stay-at-home parent with no tech experience. She finished Meta's certificate in 7 months, studying during nap times and after bedtime. She built a portfolio of 5 projects, applied to 40 companies, and landed a $78,000 a year remote developer role. No computer science degree, no boot camp, just Meta's free certification and the discipline to finish. Developer jobs pay well because companies can't find enough qualified people, and this certification gives you exactly what they're looking for. Opportunity score, 9 out of 10. Certification number 7, Harvard CS50, Computer Science. One of the world's most respected computer science courses from Harvard, fully free. Let me be clear, this is the actual Harvard computer science course, the same lectures that Harvard students pay $60,000 a year to attend. Professor David Milan teaches it. He's legendary, and his teaching style makes complex concepts actually make sense. CS50 alumni have gone on to roles at Google, Microsoft, Facebook, and Amazon, often outcompeting computer science graduates from expensive universities. Brian was a restaurant server making $32,000 a year. He finished CS50 and contributed to open source projects and built a portfolio. He landed an $82,000 a year junior developer job at a startup. No degree, just CS50 and proof that he could code. This course is completely free on edX, and Harvard certificate available for $90 if you want the official credential, but the knowledge is free regardless. Opportunity score, 10 out of 10. Certification number 8, Salesforce Trailhead Superbadges. Salesforce admins and developers routinely land jobs paying $70,000 a year. Superbadges are official proof that you've mastered the world's #1 CRM. Salesforce runs customer relationship management for most Fortune 500 companies, and they need people who know how to customize it and maintain it. Trailhead is Salesforce's free learning platform, and Superbadges are hands-on challenges that prove real expertise, not just watching videos. Alicia was stuck in retail, making $35,000 a year, and she earned 5 Superbadges in 4 months. Now she's a Salesforce admin with a flexible remote job, and she travels the world while working, making $72,000 a year. Employers specifically search for trailhead credentials on LinkedIn. It's the certification that they trust because Salesforce built it. And it's 100% free, self-paced, and you can finish it in months or take a year. Either way, the career change is waiting on you. Opportunity score, 8.5 out of a 10. Certification number 9, Google Analytics 4 certificate. Analytics is the backbone of digital business, and marketers, product managers, business analysts, they all need this. Google Analytics 4 is the latest version, and every website uses it, and every business needs people who can read the data and make decisions. Google's certification is recognized by enterprise companies everywhere. It's the industry standard. Tim was a hospitality manager making $52,000 a year. He loved his job but wanted remote flexibility. He earned Google Analytics 4 certification and pivoted into an e-commerce analyst role making $79,000 a year, fully remote. This certification applies to marketing, sales, product development, business strategy. It is versatile and valuable across all these industries. The course is completely free through Google Skills Shop, and it takes about 6 hours to complete the course and pass the exam. Career doors will open immediately. Opportunity score, 8 out of a 10. Let me show you the math that changes everything. Traditional college pathway, 4 years of your life, $152,000 in student debt. Outdated curriculum that doesn't match what employers actually need. Free certifications pathway, same companies, same curriculum, sometimes better because it's updated constantly, and zero debt. And here's the kicker. These are updated in real time. When industry needs change, Google, Microsoft, IBM, they overhaul the content within weeks. Universities, well, they'll get around to updating it by 2030, and that's a maybe. When ChatGPT launched and changed the tech industry overnight, Google updated their certification in weeks. Computer science programs at these top universities are still teaching 5-year-old textbooks. You have two options: chase prestige and drown in debt, or chase return on investment and build wealth. Smart people are choosing wealth. Here's exactly how to win with free certifications based on people already succeeding. Strategy number 1, actually finish the certification. 90% of people start free courses and quit early. Simply being a finisher puts you in the top 10% of candidates. Most people treat free certifications casually because they don't cost money. That's your competitive advantage. Take it seriously while others don't. Strategy 2, build real projects while you learn. Don't just watch videos and take quizzes. Use what you learn to solve actual problems. If you are learning data analysis, then analyze real data sets. If you are learning web development, then build real websites. If you are learning project management, then manage a real project, even if it's a personal project. Projects beat diplomas always, and your portfolio proves competence better than any certificate alone. Strategy 3, stack skills for maximum market value. Tech plus writing equals project manager at $120,000 a year. Coding plus finance equals fintech engineer at $140,000 a year. And data plus domain expertise equals a consultant at $150,000 a year. The most valuable professionals aren't just specialists. They are specialists who can communicate and understand business impact. Strategy number 4, document everything publicly. Use LinkedIn, GitHub, personal blogs, YouTube. Show your learning path. Let employers see the receipts. Don't just claim skills. Prove them through public documentation. Your learning journey becomes your professional brand, and companies hire people they can see growing and learning. Let me show you 3 real people who use these exact certifications to completely transform their income. Maria, a retail manager to machine learning engineer. Maria was a retail manager making $35,000 a year with a psychology degree that she wasn't using. She felt stuck, and graduate school would cost another $60,000 that she didn't have. She discovered Google's IT support certificate, then moved to IBM's data science certificate, and spent 6 months completing both thoroughly. She built 3 portfolio projects using real healthcare data sets and joined machine learning communities online. She landed a machine learning engineer role at a healthcare AI startup, making $110,000 a year. She now builds AI systems that help doctors diagnose diseases faster. She went from retail to cutting-edge technology using free certifications. David, from unemployed to cybersecurity analyst. David graduated college with a liberal arts degree and $45,000 in student loans. He couldn't find work. A traditional cybersecurity boot camp would cost him $15,000 that he didn't have. He started with Harvard's CS50 for foundations. Then he specialized in cybersecurity through free courses and built a home lab for hands-on experience. He documented his entire learning journey on LinkedIn and YouTube. He got hired as a cybersecurity analyst, making $95,000 a year. Now he protects companies from cyber threats, completely debt-free, building wealth instead of paying interest. Sarah, from marketing assistant to front-end developer. Sarah worked marketing, making $32,000 a year. She's smart and capable, but underpaid and undervalued. She finished Free Code Camp's curriculum, then added Meta's front-end developer certificate and built 8 portfolio projects in 8 months. She applied to over 50 companies with her portfolio prominently displayed. She landed a $78,000 front-end developer job working remotely. That's a $46,000 salary increase using completely free education. These aren't unicorns. These aren't exceptions. They just stopped waiting for permission and started building real skills with the right certifications. You've got a choice right now. Keep letting college price tags and gatekeeper recruiters decide your worth, or pick one certification from this list and go hard for 90 days and document your journey and watch the career doors open. The education revolution happened. Free certifications from Google, Microsoft, IBM, and Harvard, they are real and they work, and people are building 6-figure careers with them right now. The question is, are you going to keep making excuses, or are you going to start building? Which certification are you starting with? Drop it in the comments. I read every single comment and I'll give you my honest feedback. If this opened your eyes to what's actually possible without debt, hit that subscribe button. The game has changed and most people don't even know yet. Learn free, earn more, and stay debt free. This is Antoine Wade. Keep climbing, and we'll see you in the next video.